What's up guys, it's Courtney. Welcome back to my channel. For today, I'm going to be doing a room makeover. This is me talking in the future. My room's pretty much already done. I do have to add stuff on the wall still and just like add finishing touches to my room. So this is not a room tour video. This is just a process of how I got my room to where it is right now. And I'm so happy with it. So hopefully this video gives you guys some inspiration too. I just had this vision in my mind of what I want my furniture to look like. Just very plain and simple. And I finally found exactly what I want. Shout out to IKEA because all my furniture is from IKEA. But a little backstory. If you don't know, I'm a twin. I have a twin sister, and for the longest time, well, my whole life, I have shared a room. I've never had my own room. I've never gotten to decorate it the way I want to. And if you're wondering where Katie is, she's just living with my grandma down the street, like literally just down the street. It's not even a big deal, but I'm so excited to finally have my own room. So if you are excited for this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to subscribe, that would be pretty awesome. I'm also going to be posting the room tour, hopefully within the next month or so, just because I want to get it to where I'm 100% happy with it. So Katie moved out at the end of January of 2019. I don't know why it took me 7 months to start redecorating my room. Literally don't know why. Also, I just feel like it took me a while to realize like this is my room now. You're not sharing with anyone because I've shared my room my whole life. So it's almost weird not having Katie here. I'm 19 and I'm honestly excited to get a queen bed. I've slept on a twin bed my whole life. All my other sisters have queen beds, so it's gonna be so nice to have a queen bed finally. For the past 7 months, my room has just felt so weird and I hated it so much. Like it did not feel like a room at all. I had a twin bed just in the corner of my room. The way my nightstand was set up and my dresser and just like odd things on the floor. Like I just had all my furniture in awkward places in my room, which made it not feel like a room, and it was just very awkward and strange. The first step is to go to IKEA, and surprisingly, I've never actually owned any furniture from them. We just got back from IKEA. I'm kind of sad to get rid of my old furniture. I've had this dresser since I was probably 3 years old, and there's actually a little message I wrote on here. I honestly can't remember what this is from or who wrote it, but I wrote hi 2016. I feel like it would be kind of funny to write bye 2019 because I'm getting rid of this dresser. I'm gonna be 19. It's time for a change. How did you get that out? I've been trying to get that out for years.
Here, do you need some help?
Yeah, push on. Ow, my arm.
Push. I don't know why anyone would want to do that. Look at how old this is. Remember, this is the one that fell on, right?
The dresser I'm getting rid of, it almost killed me when I was younger.
Who are you talking to?
Finally finished setting up my new bed. Here it is. It probably took 4 hours. Some of it was my mom's help, but for the last of it, like these things right here were a pain to make. I'm not gonna have time to set up my dresser tonight probably. I'm waiting for my mom to come back to help me with the rest of the bed, but right now I think I'm gonna set up my new mirror.
Oh hi, thanks for checking in. I'm still a piece of garbage.
During the day, my room is extremely dark because I have one window and it's right in the corner where no light comes in and the sun is on the opposite side. It's kind of annoying, but I'm hoping having the mirror right here is gonna reflect more light into the room. What's up guys? So it is the next day. My mom actually set up the dresser the other day and it was pretty easy, not as hard as the bed, because the bed took like 4 hours. I have to go to work in a couple of hours, so I'm hoping before then I can finish my room and put my furniture where it's supposed to go. This, I'm planning on moving it over here behind you guys. And then this dresser is gonna go right here. But before we do that, I have to go through my old dresser, take out all my clothes. My room is looking pretty good. I'm really happy with it so far. I'm still waiting to get my mattress, new sheets, and then I'm gonna be hanging some artwork on the wall, but that's gonna take probably a week. So for now, I'm just gonna put my furniture where it's supposed to go. Let's get started. I just cleared out my drawers. I'm kind of sad, but here is my new dresser. It is time to move this out of my room, so Jessica's gonna help me. Thanks, love. Oh. Hi, puppy. Hi, puppy. Come in. Do you like my new room? Hello? Hey guys, so it's been about a week since the last time I updated you, but I finally got my queen mattress in. For a little over a week now, I've been sleeping on just my twin mattress on top of my new queen bed frame. It really wasn't an issue, but I'm so excited to finally have my new mattress. I don't know if I'm gonna regret this or not, but I spent almost $200 on a set of queen bed sheets, so we'll see how that goes. Guys, I promise Casper didn't sponsor me. I know they work with a lot of YouTubers, and I'm not gonna lie, I kind of did try to let them sponsor me, but they declined. Okay. What? It's time to open it up. Unpack your mattress in the room where you plan to sleep on it. Why can't I talk?
Unpack your mattress in the room where you plan to sleep on it. Lay it on its side.
It's not coming out! It's not that hard! Oh my gosh, hurry before it expands! Oh my gosh, it's blowing up! Hurry! Let's do it! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It's time to test the bed out. That's so comfortable! Feels like I'm on a cloud. Do you think it's comfortable? It smells like chemicals though. Sorry for the bad lighting, but that is the end to this video. I hope that you enjoyed watching. I don't want to give away too much of what my room now looks like just because I want to save it for my room tour. So if you're not subscribed yet, definitely subscribe. I have some really dope artwork that I'm going to be putting on my walls, so you don't want to miss out. I have things like 70s posters coming in. I just ordered some. Just other neat artwork from artists that I've found. And I think I'm going to be getting some fake leaves as well. I feel like I need to add more like nature into this room because it doesn't get much light, so I can't really be buying all these plants. Also, I noticed a lot of you still don't follow me on Instagram yet, so if you want to follow me, my Instagram's @Courtney Marmo. I post a lot of updates over there, fashion. One more thing before I go, I know I haven't been posting a lot on YouTube and I'm so sorry. I mean, I've been busy with work, and when I'm not working, I'm either out or I'm just in my bed catching up on my sleep. But I do have some fun videos planned for the next couple months, so I hope that you stay tuned for that. So that is the end. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!